enlighten us for your few words, sir. Please, sir.
Hello, good morning. I thought when I come in this institute, I will get young and a lot of good students where I can hear they can participate. So once again, good morning. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I think it's a great pleasure for me. And so, before moving to the productivity enhancement topic, I would like to say something about Tata. So, what is the connect of Tata with these Nagpur locations, with the industry? So, Tata in Nagpur in 1877. Anybody knows about that? इसको मालूम है क्या? Empress mill सबको मालूम है? Yes, sir. Yeah. So Tata started working in Nagpur by establishing this Empress mill and start working in cotton industry in 1877. So there is a connect of Tata with this Nagpur location, and they are very much interested. Tata management is very interested to do something in the Nagpur, and then they initiate one company here in SEZ area, Mia. We call it as a Tata Advanced Systems Limited, where we are manufacturing the aerospace component parts. So we are in aerospace business. So Tata builds a separate entity, and he has a vision. He has a vision to build their own aircraft, and based on that, they are working on this industry. So when we are working on this aerospace industry, so there is again a one connect. All of you know JRD Tata, right? So JRD Tata is the first license holders in India who got this pilot license, commercial pilot license in 1932. So he got that license as the first pilot, and the first flight which fly from Karachi to Bombay. So he was the pilot for that flight. So that is a connectivity within Tata and this aerospace industry. Why I am telling this background? Because when I have a lot of proud about Tata. When I am working in these organizations from last 13-14 years, I have a lot of proud. So the Tata started and very much visionary about this aerospace industry, and the earlier this Air India was owned by Tata in 1933. Again it converts to, it has given to the government of India, and again in 27 January 2020, again that airlines backs to the Tata Group. So that is one of the biggest achievement for Tata. I think most of you have heard about this C295 aircraft. बहुत सारा हम सुनते हैं, मोदी जी ने अभी वो मेक इन इंडिया का कॉन्सेप्ट लाया था. This today's topic is productivity enhancement, and you people are learning for next 6-7 days about this productivity enhancement. So if I talk about the productivity enhancement, these are very simple words to hear, right? But Mandogade sir, Deshpande sir, our sir has given lot of details on this productivity. So if I talk about the industrial scenarios, everybody is working on these two names: productivity enhancement, productivity improvement. Okay. Why? Because now the market is customer oriented market. अभी आप कोई भी चीज़ बेचना है तो आपको कस्टमर तो लगेंगे. आप कस्टमर ही नहीं रहेगा तो आप कुछ भी बेच नहीं पाओगे मार्केट में, राइट? एंड कस्टमर नीड्स द प्रोडक्ट विद अ लो कॉस्ट एंड हाई क्वालिटी. ये दो चीज़ें रहती है. एक तो मेरे को जो मैन्युफैक्चर, जब सपोज दिस इज अ बॉटल, राइट. सो एवरीबडी एक्सपेक्ट कि यार ये मेरे को 10 रुपये की जगह 5 रुपये में मिल जाए विथ द रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिटी. So that is the intention, and that is this market is a customer centric market, and everywhere customer always see a good quality product with a low cost. So ये जो combination है ना, high quality low cost, ये combination आता है ये productivity enhancement से. So whenever we produce some components or some parts or some product, we have to deliver with a higher quality with a low cost. And in today's Tata also, we are supplying the aircraft components from last 10 years to the different OEMs like Boeing, Airbus, where our escapement was zero. So whatever the product we are delivering from this plant, so we are giving them the 100% quality. And that's why, because of that only, customers are giving us more on these two customer always looking for a 100% quality. So how to achieve 100% quality then, right, with a low cost? So this terminology comes productivity enhancement. So when we talked about again I will take this example of this bottle. To manufacture this bottle, there are different sets of process required. Detail inside the manufacturing, what is happening in manufacturing industry. But earlier we got some difficulties to get that presentation open. This bottle, there are different sets of requirements. इसका तो पहले रॉ मटेरियल हमको ढूंढना है, कहाँ से आएगा, कैसे आएगा. फिर ये बॉटल बनाने के लिए मेरे को किस टाइप के टूल्स लगेंगे, ये सब बॉटल बनाने के बाद में ये मैं इसमें पानी डाल रहा हूँ. ये पानी का क्वालिटी मेरे को मेंटेन करना है, so that it gives a better results. So the terminology which are used in industry is advanced product quality planning. So कोई भी हम लोग जब